When you first touch a woman, do you actually know what that touch is communicating to her? Because it's not just contact. Most men think attraction is about boldness, confidence, or choosing the right place. But what women often respond to first is how safe, natural, and emotionally intelligent that touch feels. The wrong touch in the wrong place can make chemistry disappear in seconds. The right touch at the right moment can make her feel relaxed, seen, and drawn closer to you without a word. And there's one place men reach for far too early that instantly changes the dynamic for the worse. We'll get to that at the end. 1. The hand. Ever noticed how much tension or ease you can feel the moment you take someone's hand? A lot of men overlook the hand because it seems too simple, too harmless, too basic. They think real attraction starts somewhere more intimate. But that's exactly why the hand matters so much. Here's the thing. The hand is often the first place where touch feels personal without feeling invasive. It creates connection, but it still leaves room for choice. If she holds on, squeezes back, interlaces fingers, or keeps the contact there naturally, that tells you something. If her hand stays stiff, passive, or disappears quickly, that tells you something too. Psychologically, the hand feels safe because it doesn't assume ownership. It feels like an invitation, not a claim. And that matters. A woman usually feels more drawn to touch that gives her space to participate than touch that immediately tries to take control. So if you want the first touch to feel warm and natural, the hand is often where comfort begins. 2. The forearm. Have you ever noticed how a light touch on the forearm can feel surprisingly intimate even though it seems so small? Most men don't expect that. They assume the forearm is neutral, forgettable, just a passing point of contact. But in early attraction, subtle touch often works better than dramatic touch. Here's what most people don't realize. The forearm is one of the easiest places to create a moment of closeness without putting pressure on her. A brief touch there while you're laughing, making a point, guiding her attention, or sharing a moment can feel calm and affectionate rather than loaded. It's close enough to register emotionally, but not so personal that it triggers resistance. And that's why it works. Good early touch should lower tension, not raise alarms. The forearm says, "I'm comfortable with you, and I want to see if you're comfortable with me too." That's a very different message from jumping straight into more possessive areas. Women usually respond well to touch when it feels easy, socially aware, and unforced. The forearm does that beautifully. 3. The upper back. Ever wondered why a gentle touch on the upper back can feel so attractive without being overtly sexual? Because it communicates something deeper than desire alone. It communicates steadiness. Here's something that might surprise you. The upper back often feels reassuring because it combines closeness with respect. It can be protective without being controlling. Whether you're guiding her through a door, greeting her warmly, or placing a hand there during a moment of closeness, it tends to feel grounded rather than intrusive. Research on nonverbal communication consistently shows that people respond more openly when physical touch matches the emotional tone of the moment instead of jumping ahead of it. That's the psychology men often miss. A woman doesn't just feel your hand, she feels the intention inside it. A calm hand on the upper back can make you feel composed, masculine, and socially intelligent because it shows control without force. And that kind of touch often creates more chemistry than anything overly obvious ever could. And hey, if you're into honest relationship advice that actually helps you build connection, like and subscribe. It's the best way to help us reach more people who want deeper intimacy, better communication, and stronger relationships. 4. The shoulder. Does a touch on the shoulder seem too ordinary to matter? That's where many men get this wrong. They dismiss the shoulder because it doesn't feel exciting enough. It doesn't seem romantic enough. But early attraction is rarely about doing the most. It's about doing what feels right. Think about that for a second. The shoulder is a socially acceptable place that can still carry warmth, reassurance, and intent. A brief touch there can communicate attention, approval, affection, or calm leadership depending on the moment. And because it doesn't usually feel invasive, it allows her nervous system to stay relaxed. That matters more than men realize. Comfort is often the doorway to chemistry. So when the shoulder touch is natural, timed well, and connected to the conversation or moment, it can feel subtle in the best possible way. Not forced, not performative, just present. And that kind of touch tells a woman you understand that attraction is built, not imposed. 5. The side of her arm near the elbow. Ever had one of those moments where a tiny touch seemed to create far more tension than it should have? This is one of those places. It's not dramatic, but it's close enough to feel personal. That's not random. That's responsiveness. A light touch near the side of the arm, especially around the elbow area, often feels intimate because it's slightly less expected than the hand or shoulder. It can create a spark without crossing a line. Men who are good with touch understand this instinctively. The best early contact often sits just outside the obvious zones. It feels more natural, and because it feels less strategic, it often feels more genuine. Psychologically, this kind of touch works because it doesn't overwhelm her. It lets the moment breathe. It says, "I'm interested," without turning that interest into pressure. And when a woman feels that you're not rushing to force intimacy, she's far more likely to lean toward it on her own. 6. The side hug with a touch at the upper arm or back. Have you ever noticed how the same hug can feel warm from one person and uncomfortable from another? That's because hugs aren't neutral. They communicate pace, intention, and emotional calibration. Here's where a lot of men go wrong. They treat the hug as automatic, when it should actually be read like any other form of touch. A side hug, especially with your hand placed lightly on her upper arm or upper back, usually feels far more relaxed and respectful in early attraction than a full, close, lingering embrace. It gives connection without making her feel enclosed. It lets her decide whether she wants the moment to expand or end. That's important because early attraction grows best when a woman feels she still has choice. If your touch feels easy to receive, it becomes easy to enjoy. If it feels like too much too soon, she starts managing the interaction instead of feeling it. So even something as simple as a hug becomes attractive when it feels calibrated, rather than automatic. 7. The face, but only when the moment has already earned it. Ever wondered why touching a woman's face can feel romantic one moment and far too much the next? Because the face is deeply personal. It sits right at the center of attention, vulnerability, and emotional closeness. Here's what matters. A touch near the cheek, jawline, or hair can feel incredibly intimate, but only when the connection is already there. Strong eye contact, mutual softness, clear warmth. The face is not usually where chemistry begins. It's where chemistry gets expressed once it already exists. If you reach for it too early, it can feel like you're trying to create a moment instead of responding to one. And women feel that difference immediately. When the touch matches the emotional reality between you, it feels tender. When it arrives too soon, it feels presumptuous. So this is one of those places that can be powerful, but only when it's earned by the moment, not chosen because it looks romantic in your head. 8. The waist is where many men ruin the moment too early. What does it mean when a man goes for the waist right at the beginning and the energy suddenly changes? Usually it means he's escalated faster than trust has developed. This is the mistake I mentioned at the start, because the waist often feels more intimate and more directional than men realize. A hand there can easily feel like steering, claiming, or accelerating the interaction before she's ready. That's why so many women instantly become more guarded when a man reaches there too soon. It's not always about the touch itself. It's about what that touch implies. And that's the deeper psychology here. The first places you touch a woman should help her feel comfortable, not cornered. Curious, not pressured. Drawn in, not handled. The men who create the most chemistry aren't usually the men who touch the boldest place first. They're the men who understand that attraction grows when touch feels attuned, respectful, and easy to say yes to. Because when your touch feels emotionally intelligent, it doesn't just create sparks, it creates trust.